Welcome everyone. Welcome. How is everybody doing? Hope you guys are okay. Let's see what's happening. Look at this drop. Look at this. I feel a little bit of FOMO because I did not enter this one. Although this drop, it happened just after, well, the kill zone is after 7 a.m. So well, what can I say? We were talking about the Asian lows all morning, and actually, they took it. So this could have been a very nice short entry. Very, very nice short entry here. Optimal trade entry would have been at 581, but what about a coulda, but a shoulda? It is what it is. But if you look at the 1 hour chart, let's just do a quick update. If you look at the 1 hour chart, this is a bearish order block here. Took liquidity right in this gap, shifted lower. This one is going higher. Actually, the 50% level is at around 550. So if we go with the 550, which is only about 10 points away, we could be looking for possible shorts to take out 492 to continue the sell-off all the way to the mid threshold of this 4 hour fair value gap. Who knows? Who knows? That could be interesting. So anyway, let's wait. Still have some good targets down there. So if there would be a possible short entry to target the lows, you know, that would be great. That would be great. If I look at the 5 minute, well, not much to do here. The drop was from here. Let's see this swing point. Yeah. So we are about at optimal trade entry level, but of course we're not entering, probably speaking, right? So if he's talking right now, then... Oh yeah, he started talking already. Is it live somewhere? Do we have a live feed? Maybe we don't. Let me check on YouTube. Maybe we have it live somewhere. Powell live. No. No. Nothing. Okay. Let's see. Do we have any swing lows? Any points to target? We have a sell side liquidity at 441. I'm gonna put it there just to make sure we have some possible targets down there. Still edging higher to 550. It's not that accurate, but it's fine. Okay. Okay, we're a few points up. DJ, hey there. I just listened to him and he didn't say anything important about what can be seen on the indexes. All right, then. I think that's kind of good news. So market is about to open in less than 15 minutes. If this one is something like some kind of a sell here on the hourly chart, then we could be seeing some continuation in the sell-off. I mean, just look at the 1 hour really. Fair value gap, reclaimed, order block, shifting lower. Again, this could be a market maker sell model on the hourly chart. So we should be or could be finding some sort of sell entry inside that fair value gap right now. And sell side down there, consequent encroachment is also around here for the 4 hour bullish candle. This was from FOMC. So I think we can go down there. Let's see that recent swing. Oh yeah, we definitely can go. We definitely can go. So there are some targets on the downside. Just return to the midnight price. Let's see. Let us see. But if this is a Friday relief rally, then that's going to cause us a little bit of trouble. Whatever we do, we have to wait for market open. All right. Maybe we should YOLO a BULENOX account. Maybe. No, I'm not gonna do that right now. Okay. Oh, I have to delete this. That's just disturbing. The sell side has been taken. This has been taken. Previous day low right there. Let's delete the FIB tool. And yeah, only looking for possible shorts. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba, da, da, ba, ba, ba. $12 more minutes. Any idea, guys? What are you guys looking for? Let me know. Let me know what's the trading plan for you guys. Okay. All right. Black Beauty Machine, hey there. Natural gas for the win. 800 profits. Nice. Congratulations on that. By the way, what's happening with CL? Remove drawings. Let's check out CL. I wanted to check out what's happening with this. So let me do some updates on the chart here. Okay, right there. Another one here. And another one there. And another one there. Perfect. Previous day high. Daily midnight open. And previous day low. Okay. So, crude oil, what is happening? Took out this high right there. Pretty much hovering here. Not really moved below the daily midnight level. It's a little bit flat down there. Taking out this one, I wouldn't be surprised if it would go down a little bit more. I like it so far. Okay, possible targets on CL too. I'm not really trading CL, but you know, it's an interesting market, I think, to watch for in the future. All right, look at that. Market structure shift, almost on Nasdaq. It actually is. Hold on. The low of this candle is 33.50. Close of this one is exactly the same. This one could have been a short. Let's put a fib tool. Yeah, the mid level is still up there. Should I go short on this? Could be the risk. I mean, if I would risk like around $60, I can go in with two micros. That's actually reasonable. 2 micros above 34.50, right? Yeah. 2 micros above 34.50 would be good if it would retrace up, because that's a shift right there. Almost on also on the 3-minute chart. The only problem is the market open. That's my only problem with this. Okay. But if it goes down, well, that could be really something. Don't be scared of crude. It's slow enough for you to recover mistakes, unlike the indices. I believe that. I think so too. I mean, I always said I want to look into gold or crude oil. So I'm not particularly scared of it. I just need to, you know, feel how it moves. I need to look for some tendencies, what it used to do, what it used to, how it's behaving in certain market conditions. I really need to dig into that. Okay, I just see that Nasdaq has popped lower a little bit. So, yeah. Nasdaq just popped lower. Would be interesting to see what happens after market open. By the way, almost reclaimed this gap right here. This one. As a possible short entry. But it didn't. Can still do it. Can still go for it. How much time? Less than 4 minutes until market open. So let's just wait. Reclaimed that fair value gap right now. And the question remains, is it going to be a continuation in the sell-off or not? I wonder. Because we did pop into the 500s. So less than 3 minutes until open. What is going to happen? Is this really a 1 hour market maker sell model or what? That's the big question. Less than 2 minutes to go. It can pop higher. I think it will. But we'll be looking for some entries. Maybe we will get something. I don't know. One minute. And it should be making some new highs. Let me delete this. Should be making a new high, I think. Let me check the 5 minute. Depending how seriously are we taking this 50% level. Or is this a real market maker sell model? 30 seconds. Let me know what you guys think. Until we wait. Market is about to open in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Market opened. What's happening? Let's see. Are we gonna go down or up? Looks like it wants to go higher, maybe. I think it does. Not sure. Because this was an optimal trade, but I think that it's gonna pop these highs, and we might have to wait for one more confirmation here. There's a very high chance that we're gonna take out this high at 46. It's only a few points away, and there's definitely some liquidity. But if it drops, well, that's gonna be really interesting. It's dropping. Maybe not. So far, just ranging. I have a feeling that we can retest the midnight levels. Don't know. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna take out 46, I think. I mean, it should. Even if they want to drop it, I think it should take out 46. Come on. Come on, it's close. It was close. And this right here is not a structure shift. So even if it goes lower, it's not a classic structure shift. That's the problem. I wanted to see it break the high at 47 and then maybe go down to shift. Okay, now this could be a shift, but we need a strong displacement. And yeah. And I think, I mean, anyway, let's zoom it out. Next sell side is at 438 if it would decide to drop from here. But if it does, I don't know. Total indecision. Total indecision. Made a new low. So far it's just barcode charts. If it would take out the 47, I would be looking for a short after that. At this point, it's just not valid. It can also be a bullish rally from here. And by the way, let's look at crude oil. What is happening? Just out of curiosity, what levels do we have? Relative equal lows. I like that. I like this. On crude. A little bit of a sell side liquidity on the 5-minute. We have the midnight open right there. Asia lows are left untouched. I wonder what could be the anyway, never mind. Let's just watch NQ for now. I think I can't put micros. Yeah. MCL. Yeah, I think I can't trade micro crude here. I'm gonna try to search for it in the charts, like MCL, if I have it. Apex. That's options, futures, CL, MCL. It has it. BULENOX has it. Let's see who else. MCL. Alright, seems like we can. That's interesting. Never really thought about that. Wow, look at that. What a move. So it's still dropping. It did shift down. If I look at this swing, measure a few possible targets, then I would say maybe I'm testing how much. Oh no, it's too much. Okay, crude oil is dropping. NQ is going higher. Okay, with 2 micros, I could trade. That's good. Actually, I could trade micro crude oil. Never really thought about that. Not every prop firm lets you to trade it. Oh, what is this? Yeah, there you go. So Nasdaq is in a range. Crude oil is dropping. We do have some sell side there. Where could this retrace to? Looking at optimal trade entry here and here. It could go, yeah, maybe 3 micros at 16. Yeah, could go to 16. Who knows? Never traded crude oil, to be honest. We can never know. We can never know. No, it's not going up there. Nasdaq is Still indecisive. ES is also indecisive. I'm looking at crude oil still because I see that sell side at 80, 89 with a possible target. Okay, NQ finally making its move. Maybe we will see something here. It makes a new high. I'm down. Not moving. ES the same, yeah. Yeah, I don't know what could be the thing. Maybe crude oil will drop. Who knows? Hard to tell. Look at this. It's just ranging. I don't know what's wrong with this picture, but it's just ranging. Crude oil, where can it go? Crude oil 80, 89 could be 8. No. Maybe a buy limit. I don't know. Sorry, sell limit. I don't know. So this is still not a clean entry, although it shifted structure. Not really something I like. Very small, tiny fair value gap. Actually, here. Right there. But it didn't take it for now. Would be interesting to study crude oil in the future. There is sell side liquidity. I'm just studying crude oil. Maybe I will back test it in the future more. Or sorry, forward test it. Sebastian, hey there, good afternoon. Pass your first 50k Apex. Used my code. Oh my god. Congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you so much for using the code, and congratulations. Oh wow. That is great news. That is super great news. Sebastian, you the man. You are the man. You are the greatest. We're the greatest. There's a song from that techno band which I loved when I was younger. I still love them. Scooter. It's called We Are the Greatest. I would say listen to that song like you are the greatest. You are the greatest. That's it. I'm not in a trade. I'm just following how this crude oil trade could have played out. There's a sell side liquidity there. NQ seems like it might continue the pattern to go down here. Didn't make a new high, so that's interesting. Now at the 500s. All right. This is a possible short entry, an aggressive entry, should I say. I'm not going to enter right now. Maybe I should. On the 1 hour, by the way, if you look at the 1 hour Nasdaq chart, it does look like a 1 hour market maker sell model. Look at this. This move beautifully reclaimed that fair value gap. Now it's going down again. Looking good. Looking good, guys. All right, so crude oil. There was a structure shift. I'm not in a trade. I'm going to show you. I was just following. Where's the orders? Working orders. There you go. I'm flat. I have no orders right now. So I'm following if we would have taken this trade here. This would be a short entry to go for the sell side on crude oil. And what else? This one has been taken here. So liquidity has been taken. Question remains, where does it want to go? I think it can still go down. So look at this crude oil. Actually, since the midnight open is just going higher and higher. And this was your aggressive entry on Nasdaq right here. That's the aggressive entry right there. And for target on the 1 hour, I would say if you enter there, you can go all the way down to, there's a sell side on the 5 minute down there at 438. That could be a target at 438, but this is an aggressive entry. Maybe you should use a wider stop if you enter. This is not financial advice. This is just fooling around, entertainment. And crude oil should take this one out. If it's not gonna take it out, then yeah, then it definitely should continue higher. But still, I mean, we have relative equal lows here on crude. Feels like this long wicks on Nasdaq that there's not enough bull strength to to push this higher. Just wants to burst through on the 492-ish level. Anyway, let's wait. Well, we just stopped here. Somebody pulled the plug again. Still looking bearish. It still looks like bearish. What I can do actually is I can open a chart. Hold on. I can open a chart at MCL. My funded futures MCL. Apply template. Okay. How about I enter a short here and add one more a little bit higher. Okay. So with this, you guys can actually see crude oil. And how about I should put this down here and the stop somewhere above there. Risk reward is about 1-to-1. Okay, Nasdaq is going up. What is going on with Nasdaq? Wow. Are the dogs barking? Maybe it's about no barking for now. Absolutely no barking. So yeah, no barking. I'm just checking this crude oil trade. I'm gonna actually connect these. It's a little bit difficult. It's a little bit difficult to trade this because the market seems a little bit uncertain. NQ is going higher. Can't do anything about that. But the crude oil trade is looking good. Looking good. I don't trust this Nasdaq. Feels like it wants to go higher. Nice. Look at crude oil. Nice, nice, nice. Go down there. Go down. Go down. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Yeah, 5 micros with crude oil. Yeah. 5 micros with crude oil, looking for that sell side at 80.90. Oh, sorry, you guys don't see it. This way is better. So yeah. Looking for that sell side at 80.90. Come on, crude oil. Pump it, dump it. There you go. Nice. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Come on. Let's go, crude oil. Nice trade. This actually has put me into a slight profit for the day. Yeah, because I was actually having, I lost the first trade, then I entered one which has put me back to a little bit of profit. Then I lost it in London, back to break even. And now this one has put me back into a little bit of profit again. But I think crude oil should be going even lower. Sell side, next sell side on crude oil should be, well, here. Down at 69. I'm gonna put it there. There. Nice. I'm not in the trade anymore. I'm out. But it was a nice one. I liked it. I liked this trade. Let's follow NQ until the time being. Don't forget it, guys. There's still some good sales going on. Go for it. Get some coupons. No, just saying. Everything is a little bit quiet. Nasdaq returned to basically like where it opened up, right? So what can we do? It's not so much fun. Crude oil went down as we wanted it. Let me check what happened in the London session with crude oil. Nothing. We had some buy side up there, but nothing special really. Just want to back test. Yeah, this could have been a possible long. 87, 96, yeah. Anyway, this was a good short. Nasdaq is back to like doing nothing. They pulled the plug again. They pulled the plug again. So just waiting. Just waiting, just waiting, just waiting. Okay, it's not moving anywhere. It's official, guys. Somebody officially stopped Nasdaq to move. I mean, it's not moving. Nothing is moving. It stopped. It just stopped. It's literally stopped, guys. Nasdaq officially. Finally we have this day. The day when Nasdaq stopped officially. Oh man. Okay, now we're talking. Finally, some movement. I think he must have heard me. All right, moving up, moving up. If it moves up, what could be the target? If I put a FIB tool here on the 15 minute, we're actually at optimal trade entry level, but if I look at the 1 hour, also optimal trade entry level. I would be looking for shorts now. Yeah. If we would have a nice displacement, I would be looking for shorts. Crude oil is there. It's because the 8 hour is forming a sideways pattern on all indices. Really? It does. Well, I haven't noticed it so far, but it's good to know. It's good to know, guys. Okay. Went back above the midnight level, which is great, but the order block level is at 62, so I'm suggesting that it should go there, and maybe we have a reaction in the order block, which is actually here, bearish order block. Right there, and it's on the 1 hour. Totally forgot. 1 hour. Okay, so now we're going into that order block. We might have a reaction here. We just have to wait for that reaction on this 1 hour order block. But first we need the structure. Crude oil is still down there. So we need a structure forming here before anything happens. Okay. So far, so good. We still don't have the structure that we need, but this one is looking okay. The thing is that if I look at the 1 hour bearish order block, the top is at 606. So if this and if I misread this as a market maker sell model, then we're definitely popping higher than 606. Crude is still down there, and that means if that would happen, then anything I'm talking about here is absolutely nonsense. Look at Nvidia. How do I look Nvidia? I don't have data for that. I want to look at it. Nvidia futures is delayed. Where is that? I don't have the data for it. I just have basic subscription. Go to the stocks. Okay, let's go to stocks. All right, sorry. I'm sorry. You know what? Just for the sake of it, I'm gonna give this to myself. Okay, so this is the hourly Nvidia. 15 minutes shifting higher. 5 minute took the high. Okay, we have relative equal lows. Look at that. Interesting. Definitely interesting. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay. Crude oil is going down. Nice. Nvidia. No shift, but it did take liquidity up there. That could mean something. Yeah. Why is this not okay? Okay, now it's okay. Okay, now it's better. So took this high. Let's go to Nasdaq again. No structure shift yet. I mean, even if we close below this candle, this is not a significant structure shift for me. Please drop a like, boys. Please. Okay, what's going on? Let's go. Crude is down. ES in the middle of nowhere. Nobody cares about ES anymore. It's just back to the opening range. Nvidia still going higher. Crude oil is down there. Guys, this is basically untradeable. I'm sorry to say this. Recap of this week. 1 hour of price action during FOMC. Joey, I couldn't agree more. This is like... It's not... I mean... Even London session makes more sense nowadays than the AM session in New York. Correct me if I'm wrong. But even the London session makes more sense. And we all know that the London session doesn't make any sense. But this... Nothing. Nothing. Let's go for Friday afternoon drink. You know what? I think you're actually right. But it's gonna be a coffee. So I'm gonna grab a drink. And please push the like button, guys. Do subscribe and look at this. Look at, I mean, at least crude oil does its job. Look at that. At least crude oil does the job. If anything else fails, at least this one is moving. Should have stayed in this one. You know what? I just made the choice. I'm gonna trade crude oil. Oh man. Jerome Powell always screws up the week. London session is always better. Yeah. I'll be right back, guys. Please do not go. I need like a minute or two to fix up a drink. I'm gonna come back with a coffee. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Did we have a market structure shift? I hope we did. And Q. Okay. Enter to a short. Short trade entry here. And I'm targeting the lows. This is a small position. Targeting the lows down there. Let's see what goes. It's only 1 micro, so nobody cares. Okay, this is it. This is the trade I took. Maybe I shouldn't have, but it's okay. Yeah. Only 1 micro, guys. Only 1 micro. Actually, let me measure this once more. 93.75. 93. All right, let's see if this one is a continuation of a sell-off. Oh my god, crude. That's really crude. Maybe I should have to close this. I don't know. Oh no, it's going up. I don't know why all this is happening. I thought we were gonna have a sell-off here. This one was looking so nicely bearish. But if I look the 5 minute, what do we see on the 5 minute NQ? A lot of indecision. The problem is we have the order block. Damn. Yeah, we have the order block up there. Yeah, might have to close it. Major dump on Bitcoin. Oh, that's not a major dump. Bitcoin does that all the time. If it would dump to $30,000, now I would call that major dump. But dumping down to 63 is not a major dump. But it could be. I mean, I know, I understand, but yeah, this is not a dump. This is nothing. This is nothing for Bitcoin. This is nothing for Bitcoin. So if this is a market maker sell model, then we should be seeing this go down. I mean, Nvidia to the moon again. Come on. Yeah, seems like it. All right. Oh, I almost forgot. I wanted to take this on my other account as well. Maybe if it goes back here. Maybe. I'm gonna put this here and I'm gonna put this there. This is a different account. Just gonna make sure I'm not missing the dump here. But it should be dumping. Come on. And I'm just gonna add to it. It goes. Okay, I think I added to it. No, still nothing. I did not add to it yet. No stop loss yet until I'm not seeing where it goes. I'm gonna put a anyway. I'm gonna have to see where it goes. Should be dumping. This one should be dumping like crazy. Nvidia, beautiful trade, Nvidia. Wow. This was beautiful. The Nvidia, come on, man. Crude oil. Guys, I'm super tired. This is proof while I talk Nvidia when I'm looking at the crude oil chart. That really means I just have to stop. It was too much. The week was too much, and this is it. But it was still a beautiful short on crude oil. Man, I got tired during the week, not gonna lie. You're up to 29 times 4 on Apex. Gotta tell you, I'm gonna give you an applause right here. Congratulations there. I would be walking away if I were you, Ijaz. I mean, 229 times 4 on PA accounts. Dude, what do you want from Friday? Have a nice weekend. Close the charts, close everything, and just go on with your day. This is it. You're done for the day. That's it. You're done. You're done. Go. That's it. Oh well. Oh well. There we go. There we go. Okay, I'm deleting this order right there. I am closing down. I'm selling 3 contracts from this. Okay, sold. I'm putting a stop to, actually putting a stop to 26. Modify 26. Nice. Break even. And final TP is going to be at 93.75. 94 actually. Good. All right. It's a free trade from now on. Took out 3 contracts. 2 more left. Beautiful. Crude oil. Wow, look at crude oil. What's happening here? I don't know. Okay, I might be taking out the break even here. Damn it. I'm gonna get taken out here. No problem. Out at break even. I might re-enter again. I don't know. This could be a re-entry point. Let me wait if it gets higher. We're gonna be super aggressive on this one. Is all this because of Nvidia? I think it is. All right. I don't care. I'm adding 2 more shorts here. Re-entering. I think it was just it's just a retracement. It can go all the way to 44, 45. I'm gonna add the hard stop. This is a hard stop. It's not my it's not gonna be the last stop loss level. It's a hard stop. Take profit is gonna be down there again at 94. There. I want to believe that we're going down there. And crude oil did very good today. It amazes me how all these YouTubers are stuck only trading NQ. I traded crude oil today, Zabak, the midget. I traded crude oil, please. How about that? I'm gonna make a deal with you, really, with all respect. I'm gonna trade crude oil from next week, just a little bit. How about that? Because I'm really looking to do that. But do you guys think that if I would trade crude oil a little bit more, I would have more viewers? What do you guys think? And what does Zabak trade? I don't know, but you know, everybody just trades Nasdaq, and maybe I mean, I perfectly understand it can be boring after some time. Everybody trades the Nasdaq. It can be boring. Maybe if I would trade crude oil, you know, I could get that side of the market for me. That's a good idea, actually. That's honestly a good idea. I'm gonna be looking into that. But I think the best time to trade crude is at the New York Open. I mean, look at the London session. It's basically non-existent. Same goes for yesterday. I mean, this is London session crude. Is this really tradable? I don't really think it is. I mean, maybe here. I don't know. Maybe. Not sure. But, you know, the New York session, that's a different thing. You can do all kind of stuff in your session with crude oil. Right now, soybean futures is setting up for a short. Trend is intact. It's just so many other better things than the NQ, ES. You have to go to them. They won't come to you. Yeah, crude is one of my favorites. Really? Hey then, how about we're gonna do some more crude oil trades? You know, that would be, I mean, I'm not even joking. It's not sarcasm or anything. I'm really looking to do that. So I re-entered to this NQ. It's NQ, but I re-entered to NQ again because I was analyzing this all day, all night, you know, and I think we should go down to below 500. That's what I'm looking for. Dump it. Where is that meme? Where is that meme? Dump it. Where is it? Oh, we have a Gordon Gekko version. Can I put this? Here. Oh, wow. I can't. It's unable to put a GIF here. He bought, dump it. Come on. Actually, we have one more. That's it. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Trend is better on soybean. Oh. You should look for gold trades. Gold. Oh, look at this. Gordon Gekko said dump it. Come on. We have a better one. I don't even know who this guy is, but I know it's very famous for this meme. Dump it. Dump it all. Dump it all now. This is better. This is even better. Okay. Gold is another one too. Good morning, Crypto Panda. How you doing? Round applause for Crypto Panda. I'm in this trade, and Gordon Gekko said dump it all. And I wanted to get dumped all the way down there. How is Crude doing? Crude is playing. Come on. Just dump it. Although he was not trading futures, but only with stocks, but who cares, right? that guy is dead. Also, yeah, I know. Oh, yeah, I know that guy. Yeah, I know. Is that his twin? They said COVID was fake. Yeah, I heard about them. Yeah. I was not laughing at that. I'm sorry. Yeah, they said COVID is fake, and yeah, sad story but true story. And they said COVID is fake. But let's not talk about. If we talk about that, YouTube is going to red flag me by talking about it. I looked after it. If we're talking about war, COVID, politics, and stuff like that, you know, YouTube is red flagging every creator. Come on. Go down. Come on. Come on. We're still in this. You know, we're waiting so much. I'm just eager to put it to break even. I might put it to, what's the low of this? 530. 30, 27. Okay, I'd put it to break even. I'm tired of being nervous of Nasdaq. And if it takes me out, then I don't care. Let's look at crude. Did BULENOX forget to turn off the 90% switch? Why? I mean, it's still 90% off, so go grab it. It's still on, but let me check it. Should be on. It's written in the affiliate page that it should be still on. Yeah, it's on. Until the end of the month. It's still on 90%, but only for the first month. Only for the first month. Alright? And guys, no activation fee at My Funded Futures until the 6th of April. So go grab it while you can. Apex still has a good deal. 1 day pass. 80% down. Go check it. And get 20% off from TOPSTEP. Just click on my link. There you go. Bum, ba, 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 bum. Ba, 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 ba. Maybe it's gonna dump. Who knows? I'm not sure. Well, let's wait. Come on. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. Come on. Just dump it finally. Let's get on with it. Where's my TP, by the way? Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay, so let's get on with this. Let's get on with this trade. Come on. This is going to be the continuation of the 1 hour sell-off. I'm telling you guys. TOPSTEP has micros, but you can only trade 2 micros on a 50k account if you get funded. You have to scale up, and that's the only thing that I don't like in TOPSTEP. I mean, mainly on a 150k account you can trade 3 micros. My funded futures, yeah, they have. I mean, my funded futures, they have 20 micros, so you can go with 20 micros if you want to. So you have all the micros. Today I flipped 3 BULENOX accounts ready to be funded. Nice, Crypto Panda, congrats. And you get funded, you only get to yeah. So by the way, I told you guys I have not been funded yet with my funded futures. I'm working on this account. How does that go on the starter account? Because there's a scaling plan on my funded futures. Let me show you. Let me show you. So this is the scaling plan at my funded futures. This means that if you go with a 50k starter account, you start with 2 minis and 20 micros. Now the question is, if you get funded, do you still get to start with 2 minis and or 20 micros? Can you put on, for example, 10 micros on your funded account? That is my main question. Because now I get confused a little bit. So can I put on 10 micros? I don't need more micros. So I definitely don't care that I can put on 5. I would never put on this many micros and minis. I don't care. I care if I can put on 10 micros or not. That's the only thing I care of. Nothing else. So, is that possible? Please, somebody tell me. All right. So, yes, sir, that is how I blew my funded account with them. I had 14 micros. Okay, that's all I wanted to hear. How you blew your account. No, I mean, yeah, so I'm perfectly fine with going in with maximum 8 or 10 micros. That's all I need. I don't need more. That's the maximum I need. Okay, so it seems like that crude oil repriced that area. I think it can still go down. I'm looking to short crude oil if I can. It's not like mandatory or anything, but it looks good for a short. Let me do some. Three micros. What's the risk on this? Let's go with 50. Yeah, with 2 micros maybe I can do crude oil. Maybe, but that's a big maybe. But I think I can do that. Where could be the target for crude oil? Definitely going down to take out that sell side down there. Don't know. Nasdaq is popping back up there. What else do we have? Are we going to reprice a gap here or something? There was a structure shift here again to the downside. On the 5-minute, we have a bearish order block. We still have the daily lows in the crosshairs. But did we have a shift? We actually did. But I think we can go lower here. I think we can definitely go lower here. Because if this one is a proper shift, then it is definitely looking good. Yeah. Nasdaq is still there. Everything is there. Everything is intact. Tom, SMT here on the 15-minute. I know you hate SMTs. I'm just saying. SMT, okay. No, I'm not hating SMTs. I'm just not good in trading them. 15-minute SMT. Yes. Oh, yeah, I see that. All right. So that could mean NQ can pop higher. Okay. Noted. Noted. I'm not hating them. I just don't really have good experience trading them and not good results. That's the only issue I have. That's the only thing I have with them. So far, the Nasdaq is looking good. So let's see. Are we going to have a nice take profit here or not? And I'm looking for crude oil to dump as well. Crude oil has a liquidity void also down there, which is not that significant, I know, but it's still down there. Who knows? Come on, Nasdaq, just dump. Dump down. Interesting. Very, very, very interesting. Now, if crude wants to go higher, it can do so, but where does it really want to go? What targets do we have? We don't really have. And actually, this is an order block, so damn it, it can go up there. Didn't really thought about that one, but that would require a very, very strong structure shift. And since we're already finishing the AM session, I'm not sure it has enough buying power to go up there. Oh, but it's in the cards. NQ is still there. I'm break even on that trade. But as for crude, I like to think that these lows with no wicks are good possible targets to be repriced, but not sure. Not so sure. Methodical man. Tom and Jerry. What are you doing over there? Any good trades so far? I haven't checked in yet to your stream, but Sahid, hey there, good morning. What a choppy session, yeah. I suck. Well, you know, no good entries. Well, I'm still, you know, hovering in this Nasdaq trade, but at least it's on break even. And I don't know what, I mean, you know, I'm actually thinking to pick up crude oil as an instrument to trade on, but so far I have nothing. I mean, the only thing I'm doing is the Nasdaq. I'm down $50. $50 is nothing. You're throwing around tens of thousands of dollars on your funded accounts, and you have like 132 or something like that, and it's actually serious, guys. So you have a lot. So $50 is nothing for you. It's nothing. Such a boring session, by the way. It's nothing is moving, nothing is really doing its thing. Not sure what to do with this session here. I guess it's because of Friday and everything, but still, you know, I just don't understand what the heck is going on. Oh guys, oh guys. I don't know. I don't know. Might go back and take me out at break even. I still think it wants to fight for those lows there and to continue the 1 hour sell sell model, but this is a bearish order block right here. Don't know what to do with it. Just don't know what to do with this situation. And crude oil is also, well, there is a small gap right here. It's repricing it right now. Not sure if it wants to go down again or whatever it wants to do. It's just not ideal. Not the best trade. Not the best conditions. Going into lunch hour soon. Okay. Oh, I didn't connect these. So this should be like whatever. And yeah, that's it. Bitcoin is dropping a little bit more. What is happening with Bitcoin? Any suggestions, boys and girls? You know what? I'm just gonna go to the bathroom, take some drinks, and I'll be right back. Please don't go. Keep the stream alive. Push the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be right back. Yeah, I should have taken profits. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. It is what it is. What can we do? What can we do? What can we do, boys and girls? This is something we cannot control. I wanted to go scalp a quick one on crude oil and it just went down. Anyway, it was good. It was good while it lasted. It was a difficult day, I think. I think it was. Do I have any orders? I have no orders. I'm flat. Look at this. Crude oil is going down. And I was just thinking that I'm gonna jump into a scalp and boom, just went down. Just went down when I was thinking to jump into a quick scalp. But so far, I like how crude oil did its job. So it's cool. It's alright. Maybe I should take on trading crude oil on a daily basis. Just heard Michael Potok talk about trading more than 3 XFA accounts on TOPSTEP. Oh, wow. They will let you trade more using some kind of scaling plan. Oh, wow. That's interesting. That's interesting. That could be interesting. Ba ba da ba ba. Ba. Ba 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 ba. Okay, I sneezed. Okay, crude is going down. Nasdaq is going up. All right, that's cool. That's cool. Let's just wait a little bit. It's going higher. All right. Ba, ba, da, ba, ba, ba. Okay. Let's see what is going on. Crude is still there. Nothing is happening. So there's just nothing to do so far. I don't have a proper trade entry here because we're just, ranging and it's Friday. So anyway, crude oil is still down there. Not much is happening. Okay, all right. Just waiting, guys. I know it's super boring. Need coffee right now. Yeah, Royce. I had coffee, but this right here, I mean, look at this. This is like absolutely nothing. This is the worst that can happen in a trading session. I mean, I don't even know what to say, guys. I mean, it's so bad. Anyway, What can we do, right? Not much. This is so boring. This is super boring, guys. All right, I don't care about this anymore. No trades. I'm up for the day. So let me record the daily recap, all right? I'm going to record the daily recap video. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do it later. Okay, guys, thank you so much. It's super boring. Everybody, just enjoy the weekend. The markets are turned off and there's not much to do. Please consider to subscribe to the channel or push the like button to help out the stream. And we have some discounts going on. Use them as well. Guys, it was a complicated week for me, but overall in profit. Thank you everyone for being here, and see you guys in the London session. I wish everyone a great weekend, because this Friday is pretty much done. All right, so guys, have a good one and see you guys on Monday. All right, thank you. Bye bye.